Astrid, hey. Hi, Astrid. Hi, Astrid. Hi, Astrid. Oh, what the? Oh, I guess you and me, huh?
Nope, just you. Oh, Hiccup! Get me down from here!
You have to give me a chance to explain.
I am not listening to anything you have to say.
I am putting my foot down. End of story. Remind me never to put my foot down again. End of story, eh? Way to go, Hiccup.
I understand, Hiccup.
Well, that just instills me with confidence.
You're not thinking clearly.
Oh, really? Me? What did you just say?
Hiccup, would you say something, please?
We're supposed to be a team, Astrid.
I should have told you. I wanted to. I really did.
But you didn't. None of this would have happened, and I mean none of it, if I had never shot down Toothless in the first place.
It's a mess. You must feel horrible. Are you okay? You okay?
Yeah. Anything you want to talk about?
If you don't already know, I'm not telling you.
Look, if you don't tell me what's wrong, Astrid, how am I supposed to help?
Hey, are you okay?
It's not me, Astrid. You have the stomach for it. I just don't. I feel like the same screw-up I was before I met Toothless.
I can see that. Get on.
What?
We're going to find him.
Really?
Hiccup. We won. You did it. We made it, Hiccup. We made it.
Do you still believe in him?
Of course. I wish he did.
He listened to you.
I was the first to believe in you, and I have watched you doubt whether you're worthy ever since.
I'm not like you. You know exactly who you are. You always have, but I'm still looking. Who knows what we'll find out here?
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup.
He thinks he has to lead alone. He doesn't realize the strength you have together.
It's in here.
Astrid?
I'm with you. Over here.
I know. You need to stay with us. I can't imagine a world without you in it. Grab my hand!
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Whoa! What the? Astrid!
What took you so long?
Oh, what took you so long?
Why? Did you miss me?
Oh, thanks, Thor.
To be in love with a girl who is your partner in battle? Not sure how I would balance such a precarious situation.
How about Hiccup? What about him? Astrid, life is too short. You need to express your feelings. Stop wasting time.
But I still have you.
You two are perfect.
You okay?
I'm fine. What are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
What are you gonna do about it?
We give up. Probably something stupid.
That's the Hiccup I know.
What are you in for?
Funny. So, what you in for? If you say dragonfly too, I'm locking you up.
That dragon has a lot of fight in him.
He's not the only one. Why would you do that?
Hiccup, that's amazing! Call it a draw?
I got you right where I thought. What? Okay. Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery. What did I just say? Okay, you win. You always win. You stay.
I'm not gonna hide.
Of course he's not gonna hide. What was I thinking? This is Astrid. Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair. I touched a dragon. That's hardcore. Come here, you.
Are you really going to sacrifice your future? All the wonderful years you have ahead of you for that?
Well, I guess when you put it that way, no, I'm not. Thank you, milady. Afternoon, milady. This changes
Everything.
I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.